Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 fortwo. The Smart Fortwo is a rear-engine two-seater manufactured by Smart GmbH. This smart car leads a new trend for smaller, more efficient combustion vehicles for busy city traffic and daily commutes. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, front disc rear drum brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.